Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 8. I believe it's day 8. So I'm actually gonna go do my toes, and I'm not gonna show you my toes because they look terrible. But anyway, but I will show you. You guys will see the concoction. Well, it's not concoction, but if you ever heard of using like Listerine. So personally, I'm honest on my channel. I get really bad calluses. It's just always been like that, and it's the most annoying thing ever. And so I constantly have to always like take off callus off my feet. But anyway, long story short, what I did find that I finally tried that did work for me was doing the Listerine. But if you do it with Listerine by itself, it didn't work. But for me, Listerine and the baking soda, I've seen a lot of people have also done it, I think, with vinegar and just different things. But this has worked for me, and it takes a lot of the calluses for the most part away. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using, and then I'll show you guys. I'll probably show you guys my feet after, but I don't know. Some people have feet fetishes, so I don't know, but I'll probably show you guys what I do after that. I was going to plan to wash my hair, but like looking at the time, I just want to do my toes and be done. So definitely. Okay guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys what color I got. I feel like the delivery person about to call me and order food, but this is the Expressi. This is by Essie. So yeah, that's the color I used, and yeah, hold on. I got that accomplished because my toes, after a while, if I look at my toes and look crusty, I can't do it. But I have a lot of paint on my nails. I don't know how this happened this time around. I don't know what's happening. I just tend to I feel like I haven't done my nails in a while just because I feel like I'm always in my hair. So I may do my nails on Sunday. I don't even know, or I just might not, because I just feel like the nail polish starts getting I've had multiple times where the nail polish gets in my hair, and then I'll wash my hair and I'll be like, why do I have a piece of nail polish in my hair? So that's why I haven't done nail polish in my nails for a while, unless if you do acrylic nails, which I haven't done for a while either. So yeah, there was something else I was gonna say and I don't remember. If it comes back to me, I'm kind of hungry and ready for food to come, to be honest with you guys, because I had breakfast at 8 something, and it's 2:42. But at least it's Friday. That's a good thing. Is there anything else I had to talk about? I can't think. There was something else I had to say, but I don't remember. Oh, I was gonna say I'm really tired. I mean, this comes with being, having a public page, but I was gonna say IG specifically, it's like the most annoying thing, because you always have people who's like, oh, you know what, I can boost your numbers to 1,000 or 1,000 plus, or blah blah blah, and it's so annoying. Of course, I block them, but it's just so annoying. I can't continue to count how many people. I feel like once you put, especially when you put certain hashtags and they find you, they're like, okay, let me send DMs. I don't know how many DMs I've deleted, how many people I've blocked. I just blocked somebody right now. They were liking all my photos. I was like, block, because I already know what's gonna happen. Then I have to pay this person $100 or whatever their fees are. I already saw it happen when I went on the page. You were YouTube promoter, blah blah blah. I was like, yeah, forget it, block. And they even start commenting, and it's just annoying. So I normally just hit the block button. I mean, that's just the thing that you have to deal with when you have a public Instagram. Of course, I have my private one, but I feel like I don't even post on my private one as much, because I just feel like, I don't know, I don't even promote myself that much on my private one as I do on my public one. I just find that, when you have or people that know of you, they're less supportive, honestly, as opposed to, and I'm just talking about people in general, whereas I feel like I would be more supportive of people, they're doing this thing, a course or the brand. I've done that for a lot of people, even though I may not talk to them every day, but where I feel like with me, that's why I kind of stopped promoting myself on my personal one, because I feel like I don't get as much love, whereas people who don't even know me, on my public Instagram, like I've gotten to know them, and that's what I love about YouTube, especially female YouTubers that I know and groups that I've been in. A lot of support goes into those groups and just in general, and I feel like whether it's like if I missed you posting how many days, I try my best to comment on YouTube videos, but as well on Instagram, trying to like, sometimes I may not get to everybody, because that's the thing with Instagram. Instagram is forever changing, and there's always some new policy, and then it's always a new thing where people can't find you, or sometimes there's some people that I'm following, and it's not that I don't necessarily don't like their stuff, but it's like they don't show, Instagram doesn't show them in my feed after a while. I don't know why, but it's all with the algorithm.